Hi everyone, this is Tian Hao from Kudan. We are a deep tech vendor specializing in SLAM, Simultaneous Localization and Mapping technology. So here in IREX, we are exhibiting our mobile mapping dev kit, which is a kit that we developed leveraging Kudan's proprietary 3D LiDAR, SLAM, and sensor fusion technologies. So this mapping kit can be leveraged for various cases. For example, infrastructure maintenance, the facility asset management, industrial digital training, BIM, CIM, volume measurement, and also forest surveys. So this mapping kit is come together with two 32-line LiDARs and also has a very easy to use intuitive UI. So it can help to efficiently and robustly generating the accurate 3D point cloud up to 1 centimeter accuracy. It also has features, for example, the GNSS integration, the ground control point integration, and also map merging functionalities. Another key characteristic of this kit is all the process, including the scanning up to post-processing and the map merging, can all realize within this kit. So we don't need any third party and separate PC for the post-processing. And all this can be realized because we are leveraging the racked VCM 1000 controller from Vecow, which is very compact yet high power. And this comes together with the 13th generation of Intel chipsets, together with very rich I/O interfaces and also the capability for accurate time synchronization. So all these features of VCM 1000 series could maximize the value of our proprietary SLAM and sensor fusion technology. If you are interested in this dev kit, please don't hesitate to contact us so we can introduce more information to you. Thank you.